Hello, third grade, Mr. Pfeiffer here. As you can see, I've got a chalkboard ready, got a chamois over here, piece of chalk in my hand. I'm ready to do some form drawing. Once you have all those items, get your chalkboard set up the way I have it. And again, don't put anything on there until I do. And please only draw what I draw when I do it. So let's follow along and do this together. The first thing we're going to do is draw a circle. Big as we can without turning it into an oval. Once we have that circle down, we'll go over it again. I can make it a little darker. I'll start on the left side and work our way across by doing a couple of different zigzags. And try and keep the curves, I should say, the same distance apart, so we're not getting too crazy. You go across from left to right till you get to the other side. So what I mean by keeping them the same distance apart, as we do these, we don't want them to start to get like this or like that. We want it to stay pretty much the same, the lines to be the same distance apart on each one. So let's practice that a little bit more. Best circle we can do. Start on the left, start making some curves. Try and keep that distance the same between the lines. Go all the way to the right side. We should all have something like that right now. Again, practice it as much as you need to till you feel comfortable that you're doing it awesome. I know you are. You guys always do a great job. Once we get that one done, let's wipe it off our boards. Chalk again in hand. My daughters have been painting my fingernails. It's a lot of fun for me and them. So, got a blank board. Let's draw another circle. And best we can, fill it up as best we can. So we shouldn't have an egg though. I don't want it like that. So it still needs to be a circle. I'll do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to start in the middle. Get that curve going, almost like an S. Alright, once we get that one done, come to the left. Do another S through the center. So now we should have a circle with two curves. And once we get that done, I'm going to start on the right hand side. I'm going to try and follow my curves and my lines best I can. Fill it in. The same distance apart. And work around your circle that way till you end up filling up all the parts. And again, do your best to do it as close to what I have as possible. Alright, so everybody should have something that looks pretty much like that. And once we got that down, let's erase it. Let's do it one more time. Circle. Slow. So S. S. Once we get that done, I'm starting on the right. One more. Two more curves. One around the circle. Two. One. Two. One. Two. Alright. So keep practicing until you get it really good. It looks like I need a little bit more practice. So, once we get those two down, I want you to take your board, clean it off. Let's draw a circle at the top, a circle at the bottom, and do the best you can. Oh, that's a bad one. I'm going to do another one. See? That's why we practice on our chalkboards first. If we make mistakes or we're not happy with something, we can start over. So in the top one, I'm going to start doing our curves like we did the first practice one we did. Left to right, all the way over. Bottom one, as we get there, draw that S, center, going up and down. Another curve coming through the middle. Then I start on the right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Fill in those empty spaces. 1, 2, 1, 2. So keep practicing that till you got it down, you're comfortable with it. Then bring it into your book. So I've got it straight up and down again. I got it vertical. So your spiral will either be on the left or the right hand side, or the right, the left hand side. Flip it around. And then you don't have to use the colors I did. I use these colors because it kind of reminds me of spring, seeing the plants starting to come up and seeing the buds. I'm getting excited. It's starting to get a little bit warmer out. So put these in your book. I look forward to seeing what you do. And choose the colors you wish. And I added a few things in the middle. You don't have to do that, but you can. Make them beautiful. All right, third grade. Finish this up. Get outside and enjoy the weather. All right, bye.